Winter's nearly over and with spring just around the corner, we're all eager to get into the garden. Although it's too early to sow most things, you can sow some tenders, and today I'm going to be sowing aubergine Black Beauty. Now that we've picked our seeds, we can get started. So first of all, what you want to do is get your pot, fill your pot with some compost. I'm using peat-free seed compost here that has been sieved, and then slightly compress the top. And this gives you a nice area to sow your seeds onto. Then you want to get your seeds, sprinkle a few into the palm of your hand, and just sprinkle them on top of the surface. I'm using a small seed here, so I'm going to plant a few of them just on the surface and prick them out afterwards. But if you've got something larger, like a sunflower seed or a bean seed, you'd want to individually put them into their own pot. Once you've scattered some seeds on the top, just fill it with a little bit more compost on top, and then we're ready to water. So you take your watering can with your rose upside down and just give it a sprinkle. So now that we've planted our seeds, the most important part, we need to add our label. To pop that in the side of the pot, pop it on the windowsill until they've germinated. Then we can prick them out into their own pots to grow on. If in doubt, you can have a look at the seed packet, and that should tell you how many weeks to germination and also to harvest. So that's it from me. Good luck growing your seeds, and let's keep our fingers crossed for an amazing growing season.
If you find our videos helpful, click the like, subscribe and notification buttons below to help us reach more people with free expert advice.